Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see second question of practice set 6.3. Before this we have to revise our formulas that are a cube plus b cube is equals to, in first bracket their additions, that is a plus b, in second bracket a square minus ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now second formula is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now we are going to solve this second question, that is simplify. Now first question is x plus y bracket cube minus x minus y bracket cube. Now we will assume this a and this b, and we will apply a cube minus b cube formula, that is equals to, in first bracket their subtraction, that is x plus y minus x minus y. In second bracket we will write first term square, that is x plus y square plus their multiplication, that is x plus y, x minus y, plus second term's square, that is x minus y square. Now we will solve this. Is equals to x plus y minus x plus y. Now in second bracket here x plus y bracket square, so we will apply formula, that is a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula we will apply here. So x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now this x plus y, x minus y, this will be plus x square minus y square. Why so? Because we know that a square minus b square will be equals to, in one bracket their addition, in another bracket their subtraction. By this formula it will be equals to x square minus y square. Now here x minus y bracket square, we will apply formula a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this term will become plus x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now we will simplify this. X minus x will get cancelled and there will be 2y remaining. Now into bracket 1x square plus 1x square plus 1x square, that is 3x square. Okay. 2xy minus 2xy will get cancelled. Then y square minus y square will get cancelled, and what is remaining? Plus y square. Now we will further simplify this. 2 3s are 6, x square y plus 2 1s are 2, y multiplied by y square, that is y cube. In this way we have to solve Next question, that is 3a plus 5b bracket cube minus 3a minus 5b bracket cube is equals to, again we are going to apply the same formula. In first bracket their subtraction, that is 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b. Now in second bracket first terms square, that is 3a plus 5b bracket square plus both terms multiplication, that is 3a plus 5b multiplied by 3a minus 5b, then plus second terms square, that is 3a minus 5b square. Now we have to simplify this. It will be equals to 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus multiplied by minus, that is plus 5b. Okay. Now in second bracket we have to expand this by using a plus b bracket square, that is 3a square plus 2 multiplied by 3a multiplied by 5b plus 5b square. Now again we have to apply this formula here, a square minus b square. So it will be equals to plus 3a square minus 5b square. Then again we have to apply here a minus b bracket square formula, that is equals to, this plus sign will come here, 3a square minus 2 multiplied by 3a multiplied by 5b plus 5b square. Now we will simplify this. 3a minus 3a will get cancelled. What is remaining? 10b, that is 5b plus 5b, so 10b. Now into bracket 3 square, that is 9a square plus 2 into 3 into 5, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, a into b, that is ab, plus 5 square, that is 25 b square, plus 3 square 9 a square, that is a square, minus 5 square, that is 25 b square, plus 3 square, that is 9 a square, minus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 a into b, a 30 ab, plus 5 square, that is 25 and b square, that is b square. Now again we will simplify this 10b as it is, then 9a square plus 9a square plus 9a square, that is equals to 27a square. 30ab minus 30ab will get cancelled. Then 25b square minus 25b square will get cancelled. Then plus 25b square. Now we will multiply this. 10 multiplied by 27, that is 270 a square b plus 10 multiplied by 25, that is equals to 250. B multiplied by b square, that is b cube. Now we have completed second question also. Now let us see third question, that is a plus b bracket cube minus a cube minus b cube. Now as we know that a plus b bracket cube expansion is a cube plus 3, a plus b bracket cube is equals to a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. We are using this formula to expand this, is equals to, we will write a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. Now we will simplify this. See here, minus plus a cube and this minus a cube will get cancelled. Similarly, plus b cube minus b cube will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now fourth question, that is p cube minus p plus 1 bracket cube. Now we are using expansion a cube minus b cube here. So in first bracket p, that is first term is a, suppose a is here p and b is p plus 1. So p minus p plus 1. Now in second bracket p square plus p multiplied by p plus 1 plus p plus 1 bracket square. Now it will be equals to p minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 1. Now p square plus p multiplied by p, that is p square, plus p multiplied by 1, that is p, plus, now here we have to apply expansion of a plus b bracket square. So p square plus 2 multiplied by p multiplied by 1, that is 2p, plus 1 square, that is 1. Now this p minus p will get cancelled and what is remaining? Minus 1. Then into bracket 1p square plus 1p square plus 1p square, that is 3p square. P 1p that plus 2p, that is plus 3p and plus 1. Now here minus 1 is in multiplication, so we have to multiply each term by minus 1, that is minus 3p square minus 3p minus 1. Now fifth question, that is 3xy minus 2ab bracket cube minus 3xy plus 2ab bracket cube is equals to, in first bracket 3xy minus 2ab minus 3xy plus 2ab. Now in second bracket 3xy minus 2ab bracket square plus their multiplication, that is 3xy minus 2ab multiplied by 3xy plus 2ab plus, second term's multiplication, second term's square, that is 3xy plus 2ab bracket square. Now we will simplify this. It will be equals to 3xy minus 2ab minus multiplied by 3xy, that is minus 3xy, minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 2ab. Now in second bracket, here we have to apply expansion of a minus b bracket square. It will be equals to 9x square y square minus 12xy into ab plus 4a square b square. Now instead of these two bracket, we will write plus 9x square y square minus 4a square b square plus, now we will apply here a plus b bracket square expansion, that is 9x square y square plus 12xy ab plus 4a square b square, bracket close. Then we will simplify this. 3xy minus 3xy get cancelled. Minus 2ab minus 2ab will become minus 4ab into bracket 9x square y square. We will search for term which is having x square y square. So here plus 9x square y square, and here also. So 9 plus 9 plus 9, that is equals to 27x square y square. Then minus 12xy ab, and this plus 12xy ab will get cancelled. Then minus 4a square b square plus 4a square b square will get cancelled. So this plus 4a square b square. See again, 3xy minus 2ab bracket cube minus 3xy plus 2ab bracket cube. In first bracket their subtraction. In second bracket, first term's square plus their multiplication plus second term's square. Now we will solve this. 3xy minus 2ab minus 3xy minus multiplied by plus, that is minus 2ab. Okay. Then expansion of a minus b bracket square will be here. So a square, that is 3xy bracket square, it will become 9x square y square minus 2 multiplied by 3xy multiplied by 2ab, that is equals to 12xy ab plus 2ab bracket square, that is 4a square b square. Now instead of this we will write 3xy square minus 3xy bracket square, that is equals to 9x square y square minus 2ab bracket square, that is 4a square b square. Now again here we have to apply expansion of a plus b bracket square, that is 9x square y square plus 12xy ab plus 4a square b square. Now on simplifying we are getting this 3xy minus 3xy will get cancelled, and minus 2ab will become minus 4ab. So in bracket 9x square y square plus 9x square y square plus 9x square y square will become 27x square y square. Minus 12xyab plus 12xyab will get cancelled. Then this 4a square b square minus 4a square b square and another plus 4a square b square. This will get cancelled, and what is remaining? 4a square b square. So plus 4a square b square will be there. Now on simplifying we are getting 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by 27, that is minus 108 x square y square ab minus 108 x square y square multiplied by a into b plus minus multiplied by plus minus 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. A multiplied by a square, a multiplied by a square, that is a cube. B multiplied by b square, that is b cube. So our answer is minus 108 x square y square ab minus 16 a cube b cube.